Let us go ahead and take on this question based on Accounting Standard 9 on revenue recognition. Yes, ma'am.
ABC Limited enters into an agreement with XYZ traders on 1st April 2024 to sell goods having a cost of 8 lakh for 10 lakh.
Now let us assume that you guys represent ABC Limited and I represent XYZ traders, right? Now you want to sell some inventory costing rupees how much? 8 lakh. For rupees 10 lakh to me on 1st April 2024. Next.
As per the agreement, ABC Limited must repurchase the same goods after 6 months for 10 lakh and 50,000.
That means what? Let us say on 1st October 2024. Now you have to repurchase the same goods from me for rupees 10 lakh and 50,000. Next.
The goods remain stored in ABC Limited's warehouse and XYZ traders does not have the right to sell or use the goods during this period.
Now you saw that the goods will be still lying with you people and I do not have the right to sell the goods. Is that fine during those 6 months because you have the right to repurchase the goods for rupees 10 lakh and 50,000 after 6 months. Next.
Yes, sir, that's an MCQ.
Now that is a question thrown at you. Now please remember, if you give this example to an untrained accountant, he will say 10 lakh is a sale and then 10 lakh 50,000 will be a purchase after 6 months, right? Now in case you're going to bundle these two transactions, if you notice very carefully, it is actually a financing arrangement. In fact, your company has taken a loan of rupees 10 lakh against the inventory costing rupees 8 lakh. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
You have taken a loan of rupees 10 lakh against the inventory and you want to repay the loan 10 lakh and 50,000. That is that 50,000 represents the interest on the loan for 6 months. In other words, the XYZ traders has given a loan against inventory. That inventory is supposed to be the collateral or given as a security. That is all. It is a financing arrangement. On 1st April, you are not supposed to recognize rupees 10 lakh as sales revenue. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Now this guidance is there in Accounting Standard 9 as a part of examples under illustration, that is A, on sale of goods. In that it is example number 5. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
It is a financing arrangement and not to be recognized as a revenue for ABC Limited. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. First MCQ. How should the cash received by ABC on 1st April be treated in its books?
What are the options given? What are the right option?
Right option is loan or financing liability of 10 lakh.
Exactly. You know what is entry you should pass in your books? You will be debiting bank or debiting cash to loan from XYZ traders. It's a financial liability. Nothing but you have an obligation to repay that amount. Is that fine?
Yes.
What is the right option? Option
C.
That is the right answer. Next.
Question 2. What is the nature of difference of 50,000 rupees payable on repurchase?
What is the right option?
It's a C, interest or finance cost.
Exactly. That is nothing but the 50,000 is the interest on the loan you have borrowed from XYZ traders, right? It is the interest of finance cost. Next.
Question number 3. What amount should be recognized as revenue by ABC Limited on 1st April 2024?
So what is the right option?
It is
It is
nil.
0, nil. Okay. You are not supposed to recognize any revenue. And this is very clearly mentioned in illustration A in that point 5. Next.
Question 4. What is the substance of this transaction?
What is the substance? It's a
financing arrangement.
exactly. It's a loan that is borrowed by your company ABC from the lender XYZ traders, right? It is a financing arrangement and not a sale. Next.
Question 5. How should the inventory be treated in ABC Limited's books till repurchase?
So what is the right answer?
It is recognized as inventory throughout.
Exactly. It will be shown at rupees 8 lakh in your books inventory, in your balance sheet as a current asset. Only thing it is the loan you borrowed 10 lakh rupees is secured by inventory. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Nothing but the inventory has been hypothecated. Okay.
Yes.
So guys, with that we complete this example. Learn this really well for your examination. Okay.